How to find the proper replacement belt on shop.dreisilker.com. Dreisilker proudly sells premium quality Optibelt V-belts. We stock hundreds of ratings and thousands of V-belts at our 6 branch locations. Finding the proper replacement V-belt is easy. Simply click V-belts in the site's top navigation. Once on the V-belts category page, you can filter the belts by whether it's a metric or standard belt, the V-belt profile, the V-belt series, the number of bands the belt has, the outside length of the belt, the width of the belt, and also the height of the belt. For example, if you're looking for a 47-inch A belt, you would first click Standard to filter out the metric belts. Then under Profile, you would click A belt. If for whatever reason you don't see the profile shown, you can click Show More and to expand your offer. Next, we're going to click 47-inch. Since 47 is not displayed, click Show More, then scroll down until you see 47. The two belts that are returned with these filters are the A45 HVAC belt and also the standard A45 belt. Determine which belt is proper for your application and click it. Scroll down to review the technical specifications of the belt, the length, the width, the profile, the number of bands, and determine if this is the proper belt for your application. If it is, click Add to Cart. If you're in the Chicagoland area or Atlanta, you could pick up your belts at any of our branch locations. Otherwise, we'll process your order and ship it via your preferred shipping method. If you're unable to find the proper replacement belt on shop.dreisilker, reach out to one of our customer service agents via live chat, phone, or email. We can help you cross-reference your belt and hopefully find the proper replacement.